Hi, my name is Dr. Sharmila Majumdar and I'm a sexologist and a psychoanalyst. Today I would be speaking about how you can spice things up between husband and wife in your sexual relationship in the bedroom. So basically just keeping fit, just a 20-minute brisk walk can help you a lot. The second thing is relaxation. Stress is all around us. We are always stressed from office to work to home to finances to family problems to health problems, but cutting down on stress is extremely important. Controlling stress is very critical to having a nice, good, healthy sexual relationship. The third thing is communication, which is extremely important between the couple communicating their needs, their sexual needs, their preferences, their likes, their dislikes. Just the way one person can like sweet and the other person can like spice and the third person can like salty food. Similarly, even in sex, there are different kinds of likes and dislikes which the couple can communicate amongst both of them and speak freely and honestly and have a mutual discussion amongst each other. And making it emotional. Women are basically an emotional people. An emotional bond, establishing an emotional bond is extremely critical for having a good, healthy sexual life for the couple. Trying to speak to the lady before sex or after sex or even in general, trying to be supportive and trying to understand her emotional needs itself will boost up your sexual life, because once the lady feels understood, she participates and she feels very motivated to have sex with her partner. The other is romance. Love should not be sacrificed. Whether it's flowers or dinner at home or a candlelight, outing, dinner, holidays and vacations a couple can take. But romance is extremely important. It should be alive and it should be present in every couple's life. And the last thing, it's not just about orgasm. Many men and women always worry about orgasm, about reaching orgasms. That is not at all the case. The journey, the sexual journey is more important than the destination, which is the orgasm. When you have a good journey, when you have a pleasurable journey, the destination doesn't matter. So stop focusing on just having an orgasm and worrying about orgasm. Enjoying sexuality. Sexuality is nothing but sensuality. It is sensual, using all your senses: touch, smell, hearing, sending romantic messages to each other, complimenting each other, uh, you know uh, touching each other in an affectionate manner, telling pleasant things to each other. So use all the five senses that has been given. That is called sensate focus, where you focus on the senses. You touch each other without your clothes, give pleasure to each other. It's receiving and giving. It's just not only about giving, it's also receiving, both the man and the woman. Cutting off pressure, cutting off the anxiety while having sex. No performance anxiety by the man. The man shouldn't have performance anxiety. He should be completely relaxed, and then he can have a good sexual performance with his wife. So these are the simple tips which one can follow to have good marital sexual relationship.